Make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter wey go change our life.
Matthew chapter 3. For that time, John the Baptist dey preach inside desert for Judea, say,
make una turn from sin come meet God, because God kingdom don near.
Na this John prophet Isaiah talk about, say,
one person dey shout inside desert say, make una make God road straight.
John wear cloth wey dem use camel hair make. He use leather belt tie waist, and na locust and honey for bush he dey chop. People from Jerusalem, Judea, and all the town wey dey near Jordan come dey run go meet am, and he come baptize them inside Jordan river after dem confess their sins. But when he see many Pharisee and Sadducee people, dey come make he baptize them.